Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we discuss about access modifiers, that is public and private variables in Python. In our previous classes, we already discussed about the concepts of class variables, instance variables. We use the concepts here in this class. Please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete Python language. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, let's understand what's public and private variables. Any variable that is defined in our Python language, any variable or method, by default it is public. Means we can access that variable anywhere, we can access that method anywhere. That is what the meaning of public means. Private means private variables are defined like this. We have to define, if you want to define a variable using, if you need it as a private underscore variable name. The same way, if you want to define a private method, underscore method name. This is the syntax used to define the private variables. So what's private variables? Variables that can be used only inside the class. We can use these variables, we can use these methods only inside the class. Outside the class we cannot use them. Those variables or methods, we call it as a private variables. By default they are called as private members. So public members, private members. Let's see some examples for better understanding of public and private variables. So the example here is, this is the example, class pub. We defined a class and the name of the class is pub, and we defined a class variables. This is a class variable z. If you define it here, we call it as class variables. These are the basics covered in our previous classes, and we defined it as underscore z. Means it is a private class member, private class variable. And the same way we have defined some instance variables. Underscore private member is equal to value. This is a private variable, this is a public variable. The same way we defined one public method and one private method. Define underscore private class. This is a private method, this is a public method. So we can access the public methods and public members anywhere, but we cannot access the private methods and private variables. Let's check it in the example. See, we can use this private variables inside this class. See, this private variable is used here. In this method we are using this private variable. The same way we are using this private variable here also. In the public method also we are using the private variable. Inside the class we can use the private members. Outside the class we cannot use it. What's that mean? Let's understand. X is equal to pub of 10. What we have done here, we created an object and the object is assigned a reference x. Reference is of that object is assigned to variable x. Now we can call that object print x dot pub member. Means it's a public member, public method. So public variable, pub mem is a public variable. Yes, we can access the public variable outside the class. X dot pub class of, this is a public method. We can access public methods outside the class. So the output here is 10 10 20 10. This is the logic which we have defined here. We are not explaining the logic. Our intention is to understand the public and private variables and methods. Now let's check whether we can access the private members outside the class. In this example, the same example, nothing here, we are using the private member outside the class. What's it showing here? It's showing a message that pub object has no attribute underscore private member. We cannot access that. So that's why we can access private variables and private methods only inside that class. So can we access this public private members in the subclass? Let's check it. We cannot access. We can access only inside the class. So we define the same function, class pub. We are defining a one more function, subclass. We are inheriting the class called pub. So this one we call it as a subclass. We cannot access private members inside the subclass. In the subclass we have defined we are calling the super constructor. This is constructor. In that super of we are using the super variable for calling the constructor, and we defined a method, pub method. So this is a public method. Inside this public method we are using the private member from the superclass. So no, we cannot access that. Subclass cannot access the private members. X is equal to, we are defining an object of subclass. Subclass object is defined, and x dot pub method of, we are calling this public method. So inside that we are displaying a public variable and private variable. Let's say public variable is displayed, but private variable is not displayed. It's showing a message that subclass object has no attribute underscore underscore subclass underscore underscore private member. So that's why we cannot use the private variables inside the subclass also. Next one, we cannot access class private variable. Let's take the example with class private variable. Up to now we have defined the, we understand the examples of instance variables. Now we define the class variables also. Underscore underscore z is a private class variable. L is equal to 20 is a public class variable. We can access, how we can access the class variables? Using the class name. Class name dot variable name. Class name dot variable name, we can access the class variable. Let's check this. X is, we defined an object, no need to define an object, we just copied the previous example. Print pub dot L means we are accessing the, pub means class name dot L means we are accessing the public class variable. Yes, we can access that, but we cannot access this private class variable. So here it is displaying output as 20, but it is not displaying the output of a private member. So that is what about public and private members. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.